So right when you get off the plane, you have to quarantine for 14 days. You have to follow the mandatory quarantine rule. So that's what I've been doing for the last 2 weeks. But Hawaii is still on lockdown, so you can only go out for essentials. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to go to like the grocery store and getting a few groceries. And then I may be getting ramen, which I'm super excited. I've never had like authentic ramen before. I've only had like instant ramen, so if I get to try that would be amazing. So cross my fingers I can go. But yeah, I'm just going to be trying some new things, bringing you all along, and yeah. This is really good. It's just spam and rice pretty much. Okay, now I'm gonna try this cheesecake thing. Oh, it's like Jello. Here, try some. Okay, here we go. Basically a cheesecake with Jello on it, like strawberry Jello. So I ate all of the cheesecake and musubi and I was pretty full after that, but I still ate some cake. Even though I only went to the store today, I'm super grateful that I was able to go out and get stuff like cake and musubi. But right now I'm just going to probably just watch some Alicia and chill, maybe do a little bit of reading, and that's really, oh, they're so cute. Ramen now. I got the garlic tonkatsu ramen. These are garlic. I have garlic, and then this is the noodles and all the toppings. It has eggs, some fried garlic, some mushrooms, and green onion. So I'm back home from the store now. After I finished eating the ramen, I went to Walmart and Target, which is good because I was able to walk off all that ramen I ate. I was so full after. But the one I had was super good. I had tonkatsu garlic ramen, and that was delicious. super nice outside. It's super sunny and breezy, so I was like, this is a good time to come out and talk to you all. And I have this beautiful tree behind me as well, so I was like, this is perfect. But as you know, as I said before, the Hawaii is still on lockdown, so I can't really go anywhere. I only went to the store, but right now I'm just sitting in this super spacious area, and it's so beautiful. I hope that you all enjoyed watching me eat some good food, because I really enjoyed it. The food was super good, like cake and musubi and the little shrimp bento box that I had. And even though I was sitting in the house for 2 weeks, I definitely found some things that kept me occupied. I started reading, which I've never really been a reader. I've never been much of a reader, but I am reading this book now, and it is super good. It's super cool. It's kind of like a biblical book, but I really enjoy it. It has some good messages in there. And I also have been just enjoying living in the moment, pretty much. Just enjoying what I have and being thankful for it as well. That's been really helpful, and can't wait to show you guys my future events and all my cool adventures, because I am so excited to show you all what's coming up next. But I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to just smile and say thank you for what you have, and be positive and enjoy the moment, live in the moment. But yeah, I hope that you all have a great rest of your day, evening, or afternoon.